In this video, we're going to look at the first worked out example of productivity. This problem is available on Blackboard as a Word document. You need to print this and work the problem along with me. Okay, so we know that productivity is output over input, and then the change in productivity is new productivity minus base productivity. And we can express the change in productivity as a percentage by using this formula. New productivity divided by the base productivity minus 1, and we express that as a percentage by multiplying by 100. Now in this problem, so we have a production manager of a company that can currently expect to produce 1,000 square yards of fabric from each ton of raw cotton. Each ton of raw cotton requires 5 labor hours to process. So 5 hours of labor produces 1,000 square yards. Now the manager is considering buying a better quality raw cotton, in which case the production will go up to 1,200 square yards for the same labor hours. The question is, what is the change in productivity? So we have at present production is equal to 1,000 square yards per ton of cotton. Now labor used is 5 hours per the same ton of cotton. Then labor productivity is output, which is 1,000 square yards, divided by the labor used is 5. So that is 200 square yards per hour. Now when we have new cotton, okay, so with new cotton, then what? Now with new cotton, production is 1,200 square yards per ton of cotton, right? So 1,200 right there. Labor needed or labor used is the same, 5 hours per ton of cotton. Okay. Now labor productivity with the new cotton is 1,200, that's the output, okay, divided by 5. So that is 240 square yards per hour. Okay. So what is the change in productivity? Is 240 minus 200 is 40 square yards per hour. Now oftentimes we will express the change as a percentage. So change in productivity a percentage. Okay, so we'll use this formula. New productivity is 240. The base productivity, that is at present, is 200 minus 1, and we'll express it as a percentage, so multiply by 100 is 20%. So change in productivity in units is 40 square yards, and that represents 20% increase in productivity.